Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to make the next part of my video. That's the thing I'm going to do next is make the nose, then the mouth, then the eyes, then the, I'm going to put like a braid in her hair, kind of, and then I just make her hair go, I go like, I don't know if you can see it, like this. You probably can't see it. Okay, so let me show you over here quick, if you can see better. Okay, I go like that. So you can see that because I'm more like better over like that. Okay, so that's kind of what you do on this one. Okay, next you're going to make her hair go up and go down. Like that. And then on the other side you're going to do the same exact thing with the hair and the up and down part. Like that, okay? And then the last thing, I think I'm done, is just the wings clip. The drawing's never finished when you're making a fairy unless you have the wings. This fairy has 4 wings, like a butterfly. Okay, that's my drawing. Thanks for watching, and next time I'm going to teach you how to draw this one. And I'll keep drawing this one for last. Okay, thanks for watching. And stay tuned to watch more of my videos. Bye.